I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simplest failures. Verify the console is on a stable, ventilated surface and that the AC cable is fully seated. Once done, unplug the cable and wait 60 seconds to clear residual charge, then press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to discharge internal caps. Make sure to swap in a known good 18 AWG cable or a different outlet to rule out wall socket or cable faults. These steps quickly separate user errors from hardware issues. You now focus on symptoms to direct repair. Observe the front LED pattern and any startup beeps because they indicate power rail or firmware problems. Once you reconnect power, press the button once and note whether the Xbox attempts to spin fans or show the green boot logo. This helps differentiate PSU output failure versus motherboard faults. Make sure to unplug all USB devices, external drives, and HDMI to reduce load and eliminate peripheral-related shorts before advancing to component-level checks. You should only open the case if you accept warranty risk and have basic ESD precautions. Once inside, inspect solder joints, capacitors for bulging or leakage, and the power delivery board for scorch marks because these are common PSU failure signs. If evidence points to the power board, replace that module first rather than the whole motherboard. It's cheaper and often fixes the issue. If unsure, document LED patterns and errors. Then contact authorized service. And if things go wrong, try swapping a known good PSU board before irreversible repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.